Hello traders, welcome back to the ice market I use. I know it's been a minute, I know. But today we'll be looking at um the candle pattern that have exponentially grown my account, my trading account. And I'm looking at opportunities from the last week, opportunities from this just concluded week, from the Monday 20th of November to Friday 24th of November. We've had like crazy opportunities with this entry, with this sell and buy model. So the sell and buy model are of two types. For the buy model, we have red candle, green, but this green must be an engulfing. Very important, it must be an engulfing. Let me spell it out. Yeah. Engulfing just means it covers the previous candle. It covers the previous candle. You understand? It covers the previous candle. The red too, the same thing. So you must see this green right here, the third candle is always an engulfing candle, or the last candle rather. Now in the red, green, this is a 3-bar pattern. The red, green is a 4-bar pattern. So first candle, 1, second candle, 2, third candle, 3. And then we have what? Our engulfing, the green. So green candle are usually buy candle. So for my chart right now, it's usually my chart is calibrated to show bearish candles as red and bullish candles as green. It could be different in your own chart. So just know that the bearish candle, for this buy model, you need 3 bearish candle, 1 engulfing bull candle, or 2 bearish candle and 1 engulfing bull candle. The same thing for the same model, you need 2 bullish candles, so 2 green candles and 1 red candle, or 2 bullish candles and 1 bearish candle, or 3 bullish candles and 1 bearish candle. Just the same thing flips. So we're going through the opportunities we had on Gbpjpy. So I want to show you guys something first. So for this model, can take a screenshot of this, no problem. No problem. So for this model, I want to show you guys the rules. So the rules for this model right now are this. Rule number 1, I want a shift in market structure. Rule number 2, I want to be trading during the session. So I want to be trading during the session. It could be the London or New York. You can also trade this during the Asian session, but the downside of this is you might not get as much pips. You might not get as much pips. That is the only downside, but it works fantastic. And now the third rule would be the retracement has to be the candle pattern for entry. Stop loss is below the candle, the engulfing candle. That's rule number 4. Rule number 4. Stop loss is below the engulfing candle and or swing low. Rule number 5. Take profits is usually at the next swing low or high or high or low of the day. So these are the rules. These are the rules I want to see. You can screenshot this too. So I want a shift in market structure. What do I mean? You know, the market always makes. Let's look at what's it called? A buy model. So when making lower lows, right? So the market makes higher high. From this higher high, I want to see the 3-bar pattern. Red, right? Red, green. So this will be my entry. This candle right here will be my entry. And my stop loss will just be below. Right? Boom. Boom. Targeting the eye. Boom. So that will be, this is how simple this model is. This is the dump and pump pattern. Same thing for the pump and dump. We're making higher highs, right? The market shifts. And then I need my 3-bar pattern. First candle, green, 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 and then we have red. Boom. That is my entry. That's my entry. And you put your entry here, stop loss just above. You can target the next low or the next swing low or the daily low. Simple. It's not that complicated. So let's jump onto the chart right now and look at a few examples. So this is Gbpjpy. So let's start from Monday. Or this Tuesday. No, actually. This is Friday. Okay, let's start from Monday, right? So as you guys can see right here, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs and higher lows, right? Boom. What happens? The market has a shift. Boom. Now I'm making lower lows and higher highs. So this is the first lower low the market made, and this is the first lower high the market made. Then what happens as coming into the session? We broke that low, so we've made another lower low, and then we add our 3-bar pattern: green, green, engulfing, red, right, for the drop. That is all I used for this entry. So now let me show you something now. You can see our rules says I want to trade during the session. So I want to be trading during London session. So if I want my indicator right here, my situation indicator, the name is Market Sessions by Leviathan, right? Let me on it right now. You can see we are doing what we are in the London session. I don't want to trade in outside the London session. I want to trade in the London session, right? So you can see the 3-bar pattern that plays. This is the 15-minute chart, by the way. Green, green, red. And I put your stop loss should be at the eye. But I was very confident in trade. I put it around here that if it pops back up, I'll be wrong. You feel me? So I was very confident in my entry, and instantly we went down. Instantly we went down for around 3 hours. You understand? So, and that I was done with the trade. Very easy trade to understand. Very simple to understand. This is just market structure. So we came into the market on Tuesday. What has the market been doing? Let me show you what the market has been doing. Lower lows, lower high. Lower lows, lower high. And then we had what? Shifts. Instantly. Instant shifts. This now became our what? Sorry. This now became our what? Higher high. You can see I marked it right there. So Let's go on the 30-minute chart. This is Tuesday. Let's go on the 30-minute chart. This is Tuesday. Yeah, we're here. Now, I want to be trading during the New York session. I want to be trading during the New York session, right? Or London session, just in between this zone. So we've had higher highs right here. Market dropped down. There was no 3-candle entry for here. The market broke again. Another higher high, right? And you can see our 3-bar pattern right here. Red, red, engulfing, green. That was my entry. Stop loss should be below here, but I was very confident and I put it around here for 25 pips. Market's not going to retrace for 25 pips. And you can see instantly the market just pushed straight to the high of the day and pushed beyond that for a 1 to 3. But I took my trade for 1 to 2. I was done for 1 to 2, and I was done with the trade for 1 to 2. You understand? So this is very easy to understand. Trade in the session, do not trade outside the session. Very easy to understand. So now you can see that the market was making what? Let us look at this trade right here. This is 30-minute chart. Let's go out to 15-minute charts. Well, for now, let's just look at this. Higher highs, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, right? Boom. Have we broken any structure? Any low, any higher low or anything? No. So this 3-bar candle is irrelevant. Let me show you something. So this one is irrelevant. Why? Because we've not broken any structure. There is no market shift. This is the last low right here. Assuming we broke this low right here now. Assuming we broke this low, yeah, and then we had the 3-bar pattern. That would have been a very good entry. But looking at this right here, we've not had, sorry about the noise. Looking at this right here, we've not had any break of structure or any shift lower. So this entry was invalid. Do you understand? This entry was what? Invalid. So going back to the 15-minute chart, just this is Wednesday. So now we came into the market on Thursday. Right? We came into the market on Thursday. So this is not the next day now. This is Thursday. This is just from last week. It's just from last week. What happens again? Let me delete this. That was news on Thursday, right? So the market was making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, right? And then what happened? We shifted. We made lower high, but then higher high. And then what happened? We broke structure. This is a shift, right? So I now waited. You can see I didn't get in this trade, but I knew it was going to work out. I didn't get in. I'll tell you why I didn't get in. I was waiting for my 3-bar pattern on the 15-minute chart and the 30-minute chart. This is 15-minute chart, by the way. We had red. I knew there was news. This candle, this big candle right there was a news. Red, red, green. But this green was not engulfing. This is why I didn't enter the trade. Assuming this candle covered this one right here like this, boom, big, I would have entered the trade. But I didn't enter because it didn't cover it. But then the trade still played out on the news. You understand? The trade still played out on the news. But, I was pissed off because this was a 1 to 4 trade, very easy trade. You were giving me a lot of money. And it was a news trade. So, I just let it slide. So that's what I'm talking about. So we come to the market again. Let's come to on Friday. This is just controlled day. This is Saturday, by the way. So on Friday, the trade I sent to the VIP, Gbpjpy, the same pattern. Lower lows, lower high, lower lows, lower high, lower lows, right? Lower high, lower low, and then what happened? Shifts, higher high. That was this was the gift. That was the first clue I had, right? This is the first clue I had. And I was like, okay, let us check this out. So you can see the 3-bar pattern right here. Red, 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 green, engulfing. That is your entry. Stop loss was just below here. But I entered around here. I entered late, a little bit late, and I exited around here, 60. You understand? So it was a 1 to 2 point something, no longer a 1 to 4 again. But you can see the same idea. And I traded what? During the session. You can see this London session. During the session, the 3-bar pattern again. 1, 2, 3, engulfing. That's your entry. That's it. That's all you need to trade. You don't need long grammar. You don't need choke. You don't need reconstruct. You don't need all those nonsense. You just need to understand market structure, timing, very important. Market structure, timing, very important. So guys, make a screenshot of this. Make a screenshot of this. It's very important, guys. Very, very important. I'm not to show you guys US oil, but I don't know. The time is no longer there. But I know from this, you're able to get something out of this. I promise you guys, I love delivering value. You know, I love delivering value. So just make a shot of this. And yeah. I think this will to be all for this video. I've rambled on for too long. Anyway, if you gain something, please just hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. Please share this video. Comment if you have anything that that is disturbing you that you didn't understand from this video. I'll straighten that out straight up. Now, just join our free trading community where I post signals like this daily. You understand? The link, the free link is just check the description of this video. You see the link right there, and that'll be all. And please subscribe. If you subscribe, I don't know what else to say again. I really enjoyed this session. I really enjoyed it. Like for real, I enjoyed this session. I enjoyed this session. This was pump and dump, dump and pump. Very easy to understand. Timing, structure, can do. That's all you need. Good luck in your trading career, guys. Let's go.